Hello everyone, today we have a Professor Omkar Rane. He is an admission coordinator in Institute of Design, Nirma University. He having total 4 years of experience. So let's beginning with the interview, sir. Today's agenda of the interview is to know about the educations, thoughts of educations, right? So my first question is to you. When you came to the Institute of Design, Nirma University, what was your vision and how you are trying to achieve the same?
I joined Institute of Design Nirma University 1 year back. Before that, I worked in some other design institute. So my vision behind joining this institute was like this institute is going with its art, design, technology together. So suppose if any student is coming here from ID or CD, whatever, so they are getting that knowledge or that inculcative knowledge which he required as a designer. So like few artists are there, so they are going with that type of courses. So that blending art, design, technology, that because of that I am here.
Okay, great vision you have, sir.
Yeah.
So my second question is to you, sir. What are the best practice offered by the Institute of Design, Nirma University to the student which help them to gain the necessary skills?
So when we consider design, so design is some different field which is going with hands-on practices. So in Institute of Design, we believe on that hands-on practices, and we are trying to give different experience, exposure of different materials. Even suppose if you consider industrial design, the students are exploring different materials with respect in different areas or even in different areas also. Like in smart product design, students are going with IoT kind of projects. They are going with AR/VR kind of projects. In material processes, students are going with some from conventional material to unconventional materials also. So they are exploring that material. Even in communication design, we are introducing them print media, then user interface design, film media, animation together. So along with that, we are providing some electives to the students. Like from 5th semester, student need to select electives as per their interest. Like in industrial design, we are giving one pathway towards smart product design and one pathway towards furniture design. In communication design, we are giving one pathway towards graphic design with user interface and user experience design, and second pathway with film media and animation.
So my next question is to you, sir. Do you have any extracurricular activities or programs to enhance the skills of the students or expose them to the real world challenges?
Yeah. So we have lot of groups, then committees in our institute. Even few are student initiated. Like every year we are celebrating Redo Festival. So into that we are arranging different designers talk. Even students are arranging some cultural events into that. Even along with that, we have popcorn committee, which is reviewing different movies in our institute only. So they are arranging that thing on quarterly basis. Then we have few more committees which are going with some magazines. Then cultural committees taking care of different cultural activities. Like we are celebrating post Diwali, pre Diwali, then we are celebrating Garba into campus. So we are trying to create the culture, or we are even our students are from different areas, so they are coming from that their own culture. So we are trying to celebrate that different festivals inside the campus. Like if you consider Teachers Day, that day students have created street show, flash mob for our faculties. So that was like we are going with that cross connectional activities, which is creating creative mind or creative environment to innovate some new products or media.
Okay, great, sir. So my next question is to you, sir. What do you see the Institute of Design, Nirma University's greatest strength and how it can be enhanced?
Yeah. So as already I mentioned in my first question, our strength is we are going with that is the Institute of Design is the perfect blending of art, design and technology. So we have faculties from engineering background, then design background, and from art background. So we are trying to give all those knowledge to students which is required as being a designer. So this is the first strength. Second strength is we are industry oriented. Like from first year onwards, student need to do internships and apprenticeships in industry. So like after completion of second semester, student need to do 4 weeks of internship into hands-on studio, so where they are working with some artisans or some designers to create some products by using material. From second year or year onwards, they need to go with some their discipline specific internships, like in product design studio or in graphic design studios, so that our whole curriculum is industry oriented, and we are arranging various master classes for our student. So this is that one is also our strength.
Okay. So my last question is to you, sir. What valuable advice would you like to the student to for them have a prospect career go ahead in design department?
Yeah. So so design is as already you all know, design is a never-ending process, and that thing is going with different various skill sets and our creativity. So I will just suggest everyone to practice more and just to be creative and just think out of the box. So that will be better for everyone. So they will able to develop new thing, or they will able to innovate new products, new systems for our future or for our society.
Okay, this is a great valuable advice, sir.
Yeah.
Now I would like to conclude the interview. Thank you so much for the all information. It is very helpful for the all student and the parents. Thank you for the interview, sir.
Thank you.